Hi my lovelies, welcome back to another video. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. Welcome back my G's. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to improve your performance, how to make your woman happy, how to go from 1 second to 30 minutes, if you understand what I mean as a man. Guys, in this video you will see how to keep your joystick strong and active, and also you will learn how to ride like a horse. And all the ingredients I'm going to be using in this video are natural product that has zero side effect. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy this video, okay? If you want your ammo to be stiff in 3 minutes, and this recipe is very active. Even if you are 100 years and above, take this drink generously and you are going to thank me later. Okay, so before we dive into today's video, I really want to tell you that I have an Instagram page. My Instagram page icon will be on the screen. Make sure you follow me. And also I have a vlog channel. If you are interested in my personal life, if you want to see my personal stuff, just join my ride on my vlog channel. It will also be displayed on the right or the left corner of the screen, and also in the description box. And if you want to purchase any of my products, my Instagram business page will also be on the screen. If you're having problem in your relationship as a man, as a woman, if you are watching me right now, you can opt in and send me a text message or send me a WhatsApp message. All right, and let's see how it goes. All right, so without further say or do, let's get into the preparation. This is what the remedy is looking like. As you can see, guys, it is looking yummy already. I feel like drinking it too. Guys, I don't want to be tempted though. Guys, I hope this video is interesting and educative. For the usage of this DIY, you just have to prepare this DIY as a man and drink it 2 times a week or more, depending on you, your preference, what you can tolerate, what you like. Okay, just make sure you drink this cup of remedy 2 times a week. Use it religiously, guys. And if you're a woman watching me and you want your man to actually improve in his performance, kindly make this juice for him. It will help him a lot. All right, so guys, we've come to the end of today's video. Like I said earlier, make sure you follow my Instagram page at Olajumoke OJ Olajumoke Abiola. Follow my Kayanmata page, all right, in case you want to order some products for men or for women, for ladies, for bobo. We have variety of products. Okay, and also don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe. It is highly important, guys. I am begging you now. All right, kindly subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, and yeah, thank you so much for watching my video.